Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, we can join analysis of financial ratio that affecting total financing of Bank Umum Syariah in Indonesia. My name is Ahmad Hadirin Maulana Yusuf from Faculty of Syariah and Law, University Jepara. Abstract is the factor that influence the amount of financing from Islamic commercial bank in Indonesia. The role of Islamic banking in the economy is still relatively small compared to conventional bank. The total amount of financing is only about 5.56% of total bank credit. It can also be can see in the proprietized Islamic banking asset to national banking asset, which are only 4.8% and 18.75% of financing statement of 10 Islamic bank in Indonesia. The research show that capital equity ratio, non-performing financing, operating expense, operation incoming ratio, return of asset, financing to deposit ratio. Effect on total financing of Islamic commercial bank have not significant adjust required value on 23.8%. The value indicates that the percent of the contribution of the independent variable and the total financing is 23.8%. The remaining percent is caused by other variable. Introduction. The Syariah banking system in Indonesia was developed with the framework of dual banking system to provide alternative service to the Indonesian people, to raise public fund and increase funding for the national economy. The legal basis of Syariah banking in Law Number 21 of 2008 concerning Syariah banking, as has also been stated in Law on 10 of 199 concurrent banking. Children can act financial intermediation to raise funds from people who have excess funds in the form of saving. The financing need that is to community kindly provide opportunities for bank as provide for funds following the main participle of the bank as a collector and distributor of fund that have been collected from various sources must be allowed for productive business that will benefit the bank. Islamic banking have two participle of profit and loss and significant probability of collection interest by leaders and investors. Riba is not permitted under Islamic law. Islamic banks in Indonesia are divided into the three types. One, Syariah commercial bank, a pound bank that operates throughout the country. Two, Syariah business unit, a special division stable by conversion bank which can also be operating anywhere in the country. Syariah People Funding Bank operating only certain rural and urban areas. Another difference between the three banks in the capital requirement of establishing a bank as stipulated by Bank Indonesia number 113 PPI 2008. Gross working capital is set are 1 trillion and has and and Syariah bus unit is 100 billion of Augustus 2016. Indonesia has 12 plus 34 us and 164 DPRS. Based on BI data, the development of Islamic banking industry has increased from the increase in total asset financing and third-party funds (DPQ) of Syariah banking by 0.05%, 2.05%, and 2.45% respective to 297.9 trillion and 270.8 trillion and 238.4 trillion. However, in the second quarter of Indonesia, there was this decline to the national economic recovery and the collapse of international improvement that were still in the process. The overthrow of Islamic banking asset is more than 65% in the last 5 years. Bank Indonesia in 2016 of of as of the second quarter of 2016, the proportion of Syariah banking asset to national banking asset was recorded at 4.8%, with the proportional of BAS and AS assets still domination the Syariah banking asset. BAS, AS, and BPRS with a percent of 97.4%. Literature review 1. Total financing is provided by banks to the parties to support investment plans, either by the banks themselves or by institute, according to Bank Law number 10 of 1098. Financing is the provision of money or accrued claims based on or agreement between the bank and another party that requires the party bank financing to the return of money or bill after a certain times in profit sharing. Number 2, Capital adequacy ratio. The capital adequacy ratio is a ratio that shows how much all bank assets contain risk, credit, investment, securities, claims to the bank, which will be financed from the bank's own capital fund. In addition to time bonds for offset reserves. Based on Bank Regulation Indonesia number 3 strip strip 221 strip PBI strip 2001, the car those the current car is a last 8% will in the Indonesia bank after 5 years. To become a commercial bank, anchor bank must have a minimum CAR of 12%. Next, number 3, non-performing financing. Non-performing financing loans is the ability of bank to collection loan gives the kill and above hard status. That non-performing financing is used to measure the level of financing problem faced by Islamic banking. NPF has a maximum safe limit of 4% as recommended by Indonesia. Number 4, financing to deposit ratio. FDR is bank ability to return bank depositors fund by relying on financing as a source of liquidity. The higher the FDR, the higher the funds can relate to the key. Number 5, operating expense to operating income. The ratio of operating expense to operating income is often referred to as the efficiency ratio, which is used to measure the ability of bank management to control the ratio of the operating cost income. The means the means this means this means that the more efficient the operational cost increased by the bank concrete. Next, interpretation of result. A. Effect of capital adequacy ratio on total financing in Islamic commercial bank. The capital adequacy ratio is an international standard that measures bank risk of repurity from exposed losses. Currently, the minimum expense ratio is 8%, maintaining an acceptable CAR protects depositors and increase the stability and efficiency of the overall financing system. B. The effect of return of asset on total financing at Islamic commercial bank. The higher the level of profit in the previous year does not affect to the financing in the current years. C. The effect of non-performing financing on total financing at Islamic commercial bank. Non-performing financing is the amount of money borrowed for which the debtor has not made the scheduled payment for a last 80 days. Non-performing financing can reasonable be expected to go in the default. Next, D. The effect of financing to deposit ratio on total financing at Islamic commercial bank. The SIG value for the hypothesis is 0.89%. Therefore, the hypothesis is rejected, meaning that the financing to deposit ratio has not effect to the total financing of Islamic commercial bank. The study has different results from previous research conduction by Nugroho, which states that FDR has a significant positive effect on financing Islamic bank. E. The effect of operation expense on operating income on total financing at Islamic commercial bank. The SIG value for this hypothesis is 0.033%. Thus, this hypothesis is a cap, which means that operating income has a significant effect on the total financing Islamic is commercial bank. Just this just this is a discussion. Thank you very much for watching my